I got some crustiness. This is actively leaking.
It looks like you see over there, bunny.
I know, doesn't it? We're gonna cut ball valve, and this is all Galvy. It goes through this janitor's closet, and what we want to do is unthread it at this T and then put an adapter, but we kind of measured, and this is about 72 inches. Is that it? Can you see me moving it? That's the one. All right. Yeah. Okay.
He-Man over here.
Yeah, I'm telling you. Ugh. All right. Okay, I just wanted to break that loose right there. Now, there. That'll come loose. There you go. There you go. There you go. Ah. All right. Now, we go on this side. And then, where's that little, did he leave that stool in here? Oh, look at that. Look at that. The Persian, I don't know. I don't know what I'm trying to say. All right. Let's see if I can just.
Excuse me, everyone, lady.
There he is. There he is.
Daniel,
What's up, Papa?
how are you?
All right, everything okay?
You know what? No. But, you know, it's just another day in plumbing.
There you go. It's coming. So we're gonna replace this T. It's a 1 inch by ½ inch T. There's a slop sink on the other side of this wall. And I'm gonna thread this sucker in here.
Brought it out around the perimeter of the property, and we dug it out, and there was a big ass fucking tree stump right there. I'm like, the fucking thing.
Okay. We're gonna position the ball valves like this because it can only go a certain way. Close and open it.
Okay.
Yep, go ahead. Bow, 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 bow. That's the only direction we could do it like that. All right, matter to me.
That's a good idea.
Okay, now let's do. Look at that. Almost perfect.
Yeah.
All right. MEGAPRESS adapter onto that, up to the copper. And as you can see, they adapted copper to galvanized. These two lines just feed a, there's a slop sink on the other side of this. So, and there's literally 6 other leaks in this area that will be taken care of. So this is just a temporary thing, but you know, these MEGAPRESS fittings really last a long time. But I don't even think they use the sink because the sink.
You want to bust the wall a little bit?
Maybe, yeah, you could do a little more. I don't even think they use this sink. So, I mean, The chair, yeah, I don't know. But it is what it is.
You know what I mean?
Can you reset or no?
He's gonna judge everybody now.
Oh, he was going crazy on all of us. I didn't do anything. All I did was put the plumbing together.
That's it?
Yep.
That is a trick. Oh, mine was different.
Yours is Milwaukee.
Yeah, exactly.
Look at this beautifulness.
Huh? Yeah. My homeboy's dad from West San Juan. You know Weasel now?
Blancs, you know Blanco and.
Okay, water's back on. I don't see any leaky leaks. No way, Jose. There ain't no leaks. If you hear that hammering, that's the ball valve he's having to hammer open. No leakies over here. I thought that was a leak for a second. It's just the crustiness falling off of that. We're coming back to fix all this shit. All right.
All those crusties?
Yeah, and there's an active leak in the gym right here too. Look. Where is it? Where'd it go? Right here. Look at that.
There you go, Fluffy.
Right on a T. No leaks.
No.